Hello guys, my name is Jonah. So today I'll be showing to you how to hide likes on Instagram. I believe this is a new feature that's been announced today on Twitter by Instagram. I don't know how useful this is, but let's check it out. If you go to Instagram, so now I'm on my Instagram. So let's just choose one post, okay? Let's just choose a photo for now. If you click on a photo, on the right top, you can see those three dots. If you click on it, there are a few different options here. There's delete, archive, hide like count. You can even turn off commenting. I think this was ages ago. Edit, copy link, share to, or share. So it's on the third top section. So let's hide like count. Now, as you can see, that there's a name on the left top. It says the name of the person and others. Now if we unhide it, what should it look like? Let's have a look. So here it says the name of the person and two others. Again, not sure if this is actually can be done on the video. Let's have a look at the video. This is a video. So you can also hide like and view counts. Quite interesting. If we don't hide it, let's have a look. As you can see on the left, there's views, there's 1090 views, and you can see who liked it. But if we hide the like and the views count, it will just show none. But of course, if you go to your insights, it's still going to be showing. I guess you don't want to show to others how many views or likes you have. I'm not sure if this is because you don't want to shame yourself, but does it really matter? It doesn't matter, man. Let's have a look at some more posts. I'm not sure if it's going to allow you on Reels, okay? This is one of my Reels that I made today. Again, go on the right top. Okay, so for Reels, I don't see any option. I can only see option which is delete, remove from profile grid, turn off commenting, and so on. So we've done the photo, the video, the Reels. Yeah, that's it for now, I think. Again, as I've said, it can be useful for small creators. You know, they probably don't want to show their likes and views. But again, it doesn't matter, guys. Just keep creating content, okay? That's about it.